Yeah, okay. Going against spikes now, it's a normal thing. All right, it's a normal thing. You don't need to be afraid of the spike. Okay. That's why I love going against the spike, trading against the spike, and I love uploading that here for you guys to learn on how to go against the spike without having to be afraid of anything. All right, so look at this. This is B300. I just gave the signal now to my VIP. All right, so B300. We are in, I think you should be in profits now with one lot size. This is my little account. We running just one. So I'm opening just one position here on this small account because I'm expecting the stop loss is really far. You can see it will be minus $17, which is way too much for me. I don't like going that far, but that's because I can't go below 0.5. I mean, I can't go below one lot size on B300. All right, that's why I'm using one lot size, and my stop loss is at minus $17. It's still very risky because the stop loss is supposed to be somewhere here. It has spiked. My stop loss is supposed to be somewhere here. All right, it's supposed to be somewhere there, but since it will be too much, it might be up to minus $20. I don't want it to be there. I decided to bring my stop loss a bit closer to where I'll be losing just $17. All right, yeah. So now, but if you're running good profits, if you hit our TP, we'll be making $50, right? So that's sweet. Now I'm going against this spike and trade against the spikes because I've seen there are so many things I've seen in the market, and I know that price will be going down, price will be dropping from that moment. So from that level that it is now. So what I would do now, just delete everything here and start the analysis from scratch for you guys to see and learn how to do this, right? So price action is very simple, guys. Price action is just something you see every day. You keep doing it every day, and before you know it, it becomes something really, really, really big. Okay, so I'll advise you guys to show some love by, joining the the Telegram channel, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and drop some good comments. Okay, so this is my daily time frame. I'll quickly show you guys my reason for this trade. All right, this is my daily time frame. I'll quickly show you guys the reason for this trade. And we have price on the support zone right now. Sorry, we have price at the resistance zone right now. How you see the resistance zone? Let me go to the 4 hours chart. 4 hours chart. Look at this. There was market reversal here. Okay, and we had another one here. I can reverse there. We had reversals here. So if I bring my horizontal line and place where we've been having, market has been reversing over time. Sorry, that's not it. Yeah, when market has been reversing over time, if you go back, you can see market has been reversing there. So that's our resistance right there. Now, another thing we see even on the 4 hours time frame, we have a very strong rejection here on the 4 hours time frame. And when you switch to 1 hour chart, you see that we had a strong bearish candlestick that shows that we have more sellers in the market at the moment. All right, now that's it. Let's zoom out. Let's move back to 4 hours chart again. So on the 4 hours chart, there's a trend. There's a trend like this. There's a trend. There's a trend like that. There's a trend. You can see that trend. See the touch right there to this level. Okay. To that level. So I think maybe there's another one here as a support down below this zone, this level. We had another one here. So there's a strong trend. There's a downtrend there. Market's gonna descend from that level. All right. That's gotten to a key resistance zone. Market will be dropping from that level. So you can see now we have a clear descending channel. Okay, that shows that markets might want to do something like this again, back to this level, back to this level. Market might want to do something again, back to this level, back to this support, this key support zone here. All right, so that's a good confirmation. Those are my confirmations. So we have 1 hour candlestick confirmation. We have rejection on the 4 hours time frame and a key resistance zone, and then a descending channel. What I mean by channel, we have this trend line here and another trend line that makes it a channel. So this is a descending channel. Markets might be going down like that for a while till we hit our TP here. We hit this support here. All right, so that's the target. That's the target, guys. That's the target, and that's what's going to happen. That's what's going to happen. So you can see now price action is very simple. Something that's been happening in the market. So we just take, there's few stuff, most of you need to learn. You need to learn. Trust me, it's not that hard. It's something that if you just start learning now, in a very short period of time, you'll become a pro and start making money for yourself. So your stop loss is always very important. Way to hide your stop loss is always very, very important. Look for a nice position and hide your stop loss. And your TP, you can see why we dropped the TP here. We dropped the TP here because we have something like a support here where market has been reversing. That's why I placed my TP here, and my target is $50. I just want to make $50 for this account. It's on $280. So if you can make 50, that would be like $330. That's a good sum, right? Okay, so that's it, guys. If you like this content, if you think it's helpful, just smash the like button, drop some good comments, and tell us what you want to see next, what you want to see me do next for you guys. Okay, join the free Telegram channel, subscribe to this channel, and I think that's it, guys. So you don't have to be afraid of spikes. It has just spiked there, but definitely it will still go back to our level and give us good profit, because 1 hour just closed strong bearish. All right, so it's just how the market moves. Market keeps spike up and down. So you don't have to be afraid. We have a strong rejection there. Market's going to be dropping and give us more money, right? So that's it, guys. Show some love. I'll update you guys again when we finally be in good profits, and probably when we are about to hit our TP. All right, you know how we do it. The message is right here. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, so after all the spikes, we had like 5 good spikes in a row after our entry. This was our entry here. Market started going up to this point, and it's back into profits. So you don't have to be afraid of the spikes. Just know what you should know. Have the right knowledge, know your analysis, understand your analysis, trust yourself, trust your analysis. You're going to make good money. Trust me, this is not a joke.